Furthermore, when a question was asked to Sheikh Uthaymeen that what about pictures on the notes of rulers, of kings, of presidents, of prime ministers, he said that if an individual Muslim, because of necessity, if he carries these notes, knowing that photograph is haram of human beings just to idolize them, it is a zarurat, it's a requirement. The person who made is wrong. The person who prints the note, he's at fault. But as a Muslim, in times of necessity, we can use this currency. Otherwise, we won't be able to buy food, we won't be able to exchange goods. So as a necessity, carrying notes which has got pictures of rulers, etc. is permitted. But those who make those notes, they are wrong. You cannot use pictures to idolize or use portraits, because that leads to hero worship and idol worship.